Welcome to the Paytm Mall Seller Learning Hub. In this module, you will learn how to create a Paytm product listing ad campaign using the Seller panel. You can create your product ad campaign in just 3 simple steps. First, fill in the campaign details. Second, decide the products. Third, set the bidding rate. To create a PLA campaign, log in to the Seller panel. Click on the PLA Dashboard tab. Here, you can watch the video on how it works and refer to the FAQs related to PLA. Now, click on the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions and then click on the Start Now button. Your PLA dashboard will appear. Initially, there will be no data visible as you have not created any campaign yet. Scroll down the page and click on Create New Campaign. A pop-up will appear. Here, the first section is Settings, where you need to enter your campaign details. In the campaign name field, type the name of your campaign. We recommend putting in a name you can easily remember. After this, enter your daily budget limit which you want to spend on an advertisement on a per-day basis. Your campaign will automatically stop for the day once the daily budget limit is reached. Please note that the minimum daily budget is 500 rupees. Now, enter your maximum spend limit, which means the maximum amount you want to spend on this campaign. Your campaign will automatically stop once the maximum spend limit is reached. It is an optional field. Now, click on the Save button. The next section is the Product Exclusion section, where you can exclude the products which you do not want to advertise. You can exclude the products in 2 ways. The first option is AI. It will automatically exclude those products that are analyzed to attract lesser attention for a campaign. Another one is manual. It will allow you to exclude the products you don't want to advertise in the campaign. To exclude the products manually, move the toggle button to manual mode. Click on Yes, change to manual mode. Click on Edit Product Exclusion. A new screen will appear. Click here to filter your list of products by category, brand, price, and sale price. Now click on the Apply button. Product matching with the applied filter will appear here. You can exclude the products by simply clicking on them. Please note that all the products which are active in your catalog will be displayed here. There is no limit on the number of products you can exclude from a campaign. A product can be selected for only one campaign at a time. Click on the Exclude Selected Products tab and selected products will be excluded from the campaign. Click on the Save button. Now the next section is the Bid Settings section. Here you need to select the type of bid and set the bidding rate for your campaign. There are 2 types of bid. First is CPC. CPC stands for Cost Per Click. CPC. It refers to the cost that you pay for each click on your ads. Each time an ad space is available, an auction is carried out that decides which product will be placed at the available ad space. For example, if you have set CPC of Rs 5 for the campaign and in an auction, your bid wins and your product ad is displayed to the customer. Once a customer clicks on your product ad, you will be charged 5 rupees for that click. Second is ROI target. ROI stands for Return on Investment or Return on Ad Spends. It is simply the returns that you get through sales, that is GMV in rupees, by investing in Paytm PLAs. For example, if you invest 100 rupees in PLA and are expecting a GMV gross merchandise value of rupees 500, then your ROI would be 500 by 100 is equal to 5x, that is 5 times. Based on your ROI target and your daily budget, the system will automatically bid on your behalf for your product ad in the auction. To select the CPC bid type, move the toggle button to CPC. Now enter the campaign level CPC bid. Here you can check the CPC bid value recommended by the system. If you want to set the CPC at category level, then go to Set CPC Bid by Category under the Advanced Bid settings and click on Configure. A new screen will appear. Here, you can check the list of categories and spend and CPC history of the last 30 days along with the CPC bid recommended by the system. Under the Manual CPC column, you can set the CPC bid for your categories. Then, click on the Save button. Please note, if you do not set the CPC bid for any category, then the campaign level CPC bid will be applied to that category. If you wish to set the CPC bid at SKU level, then go to the Set CPC Bid by SKU under the Advanced Bid settings and click on Configure. Click on Set CPC for new SKU. Click on this arrow to filter your products. You can filter your list of products using this filter option. Product matching with the applied filter will appear. Here, you can check the list of products and spend and CPC history of the last 30 days along with the CPC bid recommended by the system. Under the Manual CPC column, you can set the CPC bid for your products. Once you have filled the details, click on the Save button. You will get the notification that the bid configuration has been saved successfully. Please note that if you do not set the CPC bid for any product, the category level CPC bid will be applied, and if the category level CPC bid is not set, the campaign level CPC bid will be applied on that product ad. You can also select the ROI target as your choice of bid settings. To select the ROI, move the toggle button to ROI. Now enter the ROI target for this campaign. Here you can check the ROI target value recommended by the system. If you want to set the ROI target at category level, then go to Set ROI Target by Category under the Advanced Bid settings and click on Configure. A new screen will appear. Here, you can check the list of categories and spend and achieved ROI history of the last 30 days along with the ROI recommended by the system. Under ROI Target column, you can set the ROI target for your categories. Now click on the Save button. Please note, if you do not set the ROI target for any category, then the campaign level ROI target will be applied to that category. If you wish to set the ROI target at SKU level, then go to Set ROI Target by SKU under the Advanced Bid settings and click on Configure. A new screen will appear. Click on Set ROI for new SKU. Click on this arrow to filter your products. You can filter the list of your products by using the filter option. Product matching with the above filter will appear. Here you can check the list of products and spend and achieved ROI history of the last 30 days along with the ROI recommended by the system. Under the ROI target column, you can set the ROI target for your products. Once you have set the ROI target for your products, click on the Save button. Please note that if you do not set the ROI target for any product, the category level ROI target will be applied, and if category level ROI target is not set, the campaign level ROI target will be applied on that product ad. Click on Save and go live. Your PLA campaign will get live within the mentioned time. However, creating a campaign does not guarantee that your ad will be placed on the platform. It also does not mean that all the products that you have placed in the campaign will be advertised. Under the Your Campaign section, you can check your created campaigns. You have now completed the training for the creation of a Paytm product listing ads campaign. For assistance on any step, you can check out the training material by clicking on the Training tab under Seller Help Desk. Go to Product Listing Ads topic. Check here the related training guide. In case you want assistance on call, you can call on 8860054084.
ATM करो